Hey guys, I'm showing you this baby hangers velvet for the 20 pack set. This is a 11-inch stackable kids clothes hanger plus 10 hangers clips, non-slip child hangers for infant toddler closet, it's pink in color. So you can see these are the clips. There are 10 clips that comes with it. You can use them with the hangers, and these are the hangers itself. So total 20 pack, 10 each. So velvet touch, very soft, non-skid. So they are like 11-inch in length and 6.9-inch in height. So these hooks are actually a 360-degree rotating hook and anti-skid soft feel velvet touch. So you can see the quality and the stuff, so it looks really nice, soft, and it can handle up to a 5 kg of the weight. And these clips we can add on this hanger in a different style. So I just put a small kid cloth on it, and you can see like it fits well, soft, and there's no issue with the hanging in. So here you can also stack them with one another. So there the design is really nice that you can hang this up, so one and after one you can hang, and you can also use these clips. So you can see like in between there is a clip hook in between that, and this clip hook can goes into the hanger so that you can fit this clip well into it. So like this one, and then if you just put this clip goes into the hanger and then it fits well, you can use two clips on one or one clip depending on your requirement, and you can put the pants or anything here and the shirt on the top. So they are soft, so this will not damage the clothes, and it's easy and anti-skid. So you can stack, you can use these clips. So in the Almira you can see like you can stack and you can use these clips. So it's easy to hang and easy to use with this clips and everything. So you can put clothes and then you can save your space. So I also found another way, maybe not like official way, but this is a very nice way and funny way to use this one clips. So this can go into this hanger, and you can just put a trouser directly into the clip, and it just holds this very well. And then you can also use it with the other shirt and then put it there. So say like you put in the shirt, and then this hanger or this clip can come out of it, and then you can put also a pant or the trouser, and then the two things can be put in one. So really a great design, and you can use it the way you want, and this is like whatever the way works for you. So it's pretty nice and handy, and also like easy. So hopefully this is helpful to you as well.